Tanto from number question 10.
My name is Farhadi Pusasi from number question 11.
Today the topic of our presentation is flag. Flags are natural phenomena that commonly occur in areas that are allowed by law. In particular, flagging can be defined as the presence of an instance to a large area. In the broad definition, flagging can be interpreted as part of the hydrological cycle, that is, when the part of the earth that moves to the sea. In the hydrological cycle, we can see the volume by the level of rainfall.
There are two factors that can cause floods: the natural factors and social factors. This factor is a cause that comes from nature itself, like heavy rain, and social factors like throw trash in the rivers. Floods can be categorized based on the mechanism of occurrence and based on the position of the source of the flood on the sea it fails. There are two different types of mechanism. That is based on the mechanism of occurrence. Flooding can be divided into ordinary floods and uniform flooding.
Argumentation. First, regular flooding results from a large amount of water that exceeds the capacity of exciting by rain. Second, irregular floods occur due to tsunamis, hydrowaves, or earthquakes.
Generally, in Indonesia, seen from the mechanism of occurrence, flooding that occurs often is regular flooding, but it does not rule out of the possibility of irregular flooding. Based on the position of the source of the flood on the areas it fills, flooding can be divided into local flood and flash flood. Local flooding is defined as flooding caused by local rainfall, while banjir bandang can be interpreted as flooding caused by the spread of runoff from upstream areas in a catchment area.
Argumentation. Based on the position of the source of the flood on the area it floods. Flooding in Indonesia is included in flash floods. For example, local flooding is a flood that occurs in big sites in Indonesia, including Jakarta,
From the explanation above, it can be concluded that flooding is uneven then occurs when excessive water flows from the land. Floods can also occur in rivers when the flow exceeds the capacity of water sources, especially in river patterns. As a result, it can stop and damage highways, bridges, cars, buildings, underground systems, and canals. Losses in terms of asset and human life are other impacts of flooding.
Okay. Do you anyone question? Okay.
I am Ridatu IC, number present 25 from group 4. I want to ask, what is the reason of flooding in Indonesia? Thank you.
Action.
Thanks for the question. We will discuss it first with my team. am Farah Nuno Nabilakanto will answer question by head. Floods usually caused by human accident, like such as littering, illegal logging, and so on.
Thank you for the attention of our friends. Hopefully what our group can first can be a profession for us in the future. Wassalamualaikum